Hello friend, in this video I am going to show you how can I make bootable pen drive of Windows 11 ISO file. Okay, first what you have to do is you have to download the ISO file of Windows 11, and if you are confused how to download ISO file of Windows 11, then link is in the description box. Just click and follow the steps and download the ISO file. Then after you need a first tool and you need about 16 GB pen drive. If you have these types of all materials, then you have to insert your pen drive on your computer. I have inserted my 16 GB pen drive. Then after the first, you have to open the reverse tool. I'm going to open from my this backup file. Or you can download from the Chrome browser. Hit enter and create a bootable. Scroll down. Here you can find Android 4.11 version. That is the latest version. Okay. I'm going to cut and paste to my folder, Windows folder. Then after, right click and run as administrator. Click yes for the permission. Click yes. Now here you have to select the ISO image which you have downloaded from the internet. Okay. Here is my Windows 11 25S2 latest version ISO file. Now click the open. Then after, you can change the partition scheme. Okay, if you are using Ampere, then you can choose the Ampere, or you can choose the GPT. Okay, now latest version computer support the GPT version, and this will be the same. And click start. If you have the old type of computer and you do not have the TPM security boot, then after you can just click this. Okay, remove requirement for 4 GB plus RAM secure boot. Okay, this is for the old types of computer. Okay, if you want to install Windows 11 old computer, then you have to just click that remove requirement for 4 GB RAM and secure boot TPM 2.0. After, click here remove the requirement for an online Microsoft account, or you can choose this also, create your local user with a name. Okay, you can just here give your name which you want to create. Okay, I have given here my user text channel and click OK, and now click OK, and the process has been starting here, and this may take about 10 or more than a minute to complete the process. Then after, your bootable pen drive is ready to boot or to install new OS in your system. Here you can see now process has been completed. And friend, if you like this video, then hit the like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to share to your friend.